Well, the 15 wickets. What a shot! It's MS Dhoni. No, it's not. It's Rashid Khan.
In Afghanistan, they say that's a spagiza. Into the crowd. What a shot, Rashid Khan.
Magic. Just magic. Ball one. In the slot. Look at that. The pose. Imposing himself on the bowler from ball one.
It's the helicopter shot.
Just is not scared.
Well, you move a game ahead, don't you? Oh my goodness! Well, that's the best shot of the tournament for me. That is quick hands wrist. That is just a little flicky sort of six. Oh, what a way to finish the ninth over. It's 108 for 5.
It's helicopter shot. He knew Irfan was going to bowl a Yorker. This was the one before. After that, he was not happy. He was staring first to the umpire, then to the bowler. Oh, look at that.